Have you ever wondered how traders make serious money without risking their own capital? It all starts with joining a prop firm. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as Breakout. And you guys will see right here, uncompromising execution, radical transparency, a native crypto prop firm trading on the best centralized exchange, Liquidity. I like that, okay? Now, you guys heard me use that little term, prop firm. What is this, okay? And how does it work? Well, simply put, a prop firm is short for proprietary trading firm, which allows traders to trade financial markets using the firm's capital instead of your own money. All right, very important you guys understand that. So whenever it comes to a breakout, you guys, you are going to be able to pay a one-time evaluation fee to prove your trading skills. And if you hit the target, you are going to be able to get funded. Okay, so there's no deposit that's required. There's no personal financial risk beyond that one fee. You heard that correct, all right? So if we take a look here, you guys can clearly see we got Start Trading. It looks like they got a great score. Looks like we got a lot of press releases as well. So we have the Breakout ads, all right? So there's a lot of benefits here. And technically, you guys, if you actually sign in, you're going to see right here, we have a $100,000 Breakout Trader. So I want you guys to understand that Breakout actually lets you access, right, $100,000 in trading capital with 5x leverage. And you guys can actually see that right here. Okay, very important. So technically, we're talking up to $500,000, you guys, okay, in buying power. So if we actually go back here, you guys can see got crypto prop trading with literally 100 plus crypto assets. Okay, that's pretty cool. A centralized exchange trading environment. Okay, trading view chart integrations with advanced charts. We even have modern UI. We even have core values. Okay, so I want you guys to understand, the fact that they're putting up a massive amount of capital is really good. What does this do? Well, technically, it removes the stress of risking your personal savings, and it allows you to focus on strategy, not capital. The only risk, as mentioned, for getting started is the evaluation fee. And this technically makes it ideal for managing emotion. Not only that, but also scaling responsibility. So if you guys take a look here, we got crypto prop trading in 2 easy steps. You pass the breakout evaluation, and basically you trade your funded breakout account. So trade your live account and keep up to 90% of the gains. So I want you guys to think about this. Or let's put it this way. Who should consider joining a prop firm? Good question, right? So this is going to be for individuals with limited personal capital who want to trade, obviously, with larger sums, okay? Aspiring traders, probably like me and like you, who are hesitant to risk, say, your own money in volatile markets, okay? Or let's say those who are seeking a legitimate and structured path to becoming a professional trader. Or let's say people who are looking for a scalable side hustle or primary income stream through trading. And finally, anyone who is technically curious about trading but intimidated by the upfront capital requirements of traditional methods. So if we take a look here, you guys will see evaluation type. We got one step. Okay, account size, you can see that, right? From 5,000 to 10 to 25 to 50 to 100. And you guys can actually see the fees. Look at this, very small. $60, okay, 110, 275, 495, all the way up to 999. Okay, then we even have two-step. So you guys can see that right here. All right, we got 50, 100, 250, right? 450 up to 725. So I want you guys to understand that Breakout is a crypto native prop firm. So not just a forex firm that added crypto later on. They're purpose built for 24/7 markets. They offer on-demand payouts. So what does that mean? That technically means that you can request as many as you want, and the payouts are sent directly to your USDC wallet. So once again, if we actually take a look here, you guys are going to see we got a payout structure and trader support. So it offers up to 90% profit splits, daily USDC payouts, and they have 24/7 support. So there are no payout delays or anything like that. Now, I also want you guys to understand we're talking about liquidity and trading infrastructure. So technically, Breakout, it does use a tier 1 centralized exchange, right? We're talking about tier 1 centralized exchange liquidity, to be exact. So this technically allows for smooth execution with no artificial delays or fake demo environments, all right? So their tech stack, it is very reliable, and it's also very transparent. So once you guys understand, if we actually take a look here, you guys will see that we have the overview of the Breakout dashboard. So we got that step 1, step 2, we have account balance. You guys can see login, we got our password, we got maximum drawdown. We even have maximum daily loss. And you guys can see right here, I mean, you're going to be able to keep eyes on all your trade. So technically, you guys, this is a real-time metric, okay? Or let's say it provides real-time metrics, evaluation progress, risk controls, and easy withdrawal management. So you guys can see all that stuff right here. We even have buy evaluation. You can see that. So if you sign up, technically that's where you're going to go. So you can actually get yourselves started. You guys can see right here, max daily loss, max drawdown leverage. And we even have here for payouts, okay? So pretty easy and pretty simple. And I highly recommend that you guys dive down into what is known as Breakout. Big opportunity here. Alrighty, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys are interested in prop firm, then be sure to check out the links that are down below in that description. Leave a comment and tell me, what do you guys think? Are you going to be checking it out? More importantly, smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and smash up that notification bell so you are updated or notified when we have our next video.